to Texas Viking Fest for Yule. Now, I know there are a few Viking Fests this time of year. I went to the one that was the closest distance from me at Valkyrie Ranch, which is also the home of Thorin's Viking Mead. You can tell there's a meadery nearby due to all the happy drunk bees. I had to keep saving these two. But don't worry, they're pretty much harmless. I was really impressed by all the artisans and musicians here. And I picked up some neat things for Yule gifts and for myself. Did I mention the food? When you come here, you have to eat at JLM's Chicken and Waffles. Not only are their chicken and waffles great, my friend and I shared this loaded mac and cheese stuffed turkey leg. It was roughly the size of a newborn child, and we destroyed it. It was so freaking good. The staff here really went out of their way to make sure everyone felt welcome and included. One of my favorite parts was the Yule ritual. Everyone was given papers so they could write down things they wanted to leave behind in the past year. Once everyone placed their messages into the belly of this giant goat effigy, it was set ablaze, thus burning away the negative old energy and simultaneously setting everyone's new intentions for the coming year. Oh, did I mention that there was Krampus? I met him, and he's actually very nice. You can meet him too if you